Good morning. We are doing another 26 kilowatt air-cooled unit at this location. This is a 3-bedroom house with electric furnace. They have a propane tank feeding the fireplace to use as to heat the house winter time too. So we are gonna have the 26 kilowatt for the whole house. Furnace is gonna be postponed technically, and the fireplace is going to be the main source of heat during the power failure. Heat pump is going to be functional too. So we provided I believe 2 quotes to this customer 6 months ago, and then so they did check the market. Initially they wanted to go with another company, but finally they decided to go with us. I guess they checked the reviews that we had, or they didn't have a good experience with the other company and they came back to us to proceed. Anyways, we are happy to be here and do this installation for them. So we already cut the power. That's okay. We already cut the power of the house, and we will get ready to install the transfer switch and then installation of the cables of the generator. So we did the installation of the 26 kilowatt air-cooled unit today. It's almost done. It's the final test that we're going to do in a couple of minutes. Wanted to show you another accessory that we have for these generators, and this is the warmer for the oil and warmer for the battery. The first oil that goes to the engine is the oil that is in the oil filter. So when we put the oil warmer around the oil filter, generator is going to start easy in winter time. Same thing for the battery. We have a warmer for the battery, keeps the battery warm. So again, it's winter time. We don't have any problem with starting the unit. This is the recommendation of Generac engineers to be installed on the generators in cold areas like Montreal. That we are doing. This is how it looks like. This is the warmer for the oil with its own thermostat, and it goes on by itself. When it's cold, it just starts warming the oil. And as I mentioned earlier, the first oil that goes to the engine is the oil that is in the oil filter. During the maintenance, when we have to do the maintenance every year or 100 hours of operation, we will remove it. We will change the oil filter, the oil itself. We will drain it and then put new oil in there. Make sure that these things are tight, otherwise during the power failure they're gonna come off and the oil is gonna splash everywhere. That's another thing that we check all the time during the yearly maintenances. So you're ready to do the test. It's gonna ask for the MAC address. 115766. Now you will see it says no Wi-Fi. You were gonna say there is a delay.
Okay.
A couple of minutes you will see it here. Then what else you will see? And now I put it on auto, so when it goes on you're gonna see ready to run. So if the furnace is overloading the generator, same thing, it's going to postpone it 5 minutes, again 30 minutes. If it's still overloading, it's going to keep it off till hydro comes back. And so after each installation, we will connect the Wi-Fi, install the app on the customer's phone. Then if they have any questions, we try to answer all their questions. We try to record the questions in this video and other videos. It might be your question and it gets answered. Another good point that we have after each installation is that this is a long-term relationship with the customer. So your experience, you can describe your experience if you want.
They're good, they're fast, and they're very kind.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.